Hey, Mr. Peace. I'm here at Mission Meadows Elementary School, home of the Mustangs in Oceanside, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. And I just got to speak again here in the MPR to the after-school program, AM/PM students and staff, getting to share my heart today on a very important topic, which was compassion. The sub-theme is one life at a time. And like I always preach, basically, in just 2 seconds, one action, one word, we can either uplift or we can tear down, right? We always have that choice. But hopefully we choose to build up. I always talk about in this particular assembly, be a builder and not a wrecker. It can take so long to build someone up, but just one mean word or one mean action can really tear that person down, right? Sometimes forever. So we have to know that, every action we take, every word that we say can have a huge impact. And I show them a graph, during the presentation as well, that, one little act of kindness or compassion can take very, very little effort, right? But can make a huge, huge difference. If it hopefully spirals where, not just touches the heart of that one person that you do it towards, a group of people, but then they do it towards another person, just keeps going. And that's really what I wanted to hammer home today is, not only the impact of our actions, but also to really put ourselves in someone else's shoes, right? To have that empathy, to not judge, to not jump to conclusions, that all of us are going through something, right? We're all going through something. Some of us are going through a lot of the same things. We don't even know it, right? And that's why you can kind of see where inside the heart, something is torn off. That's where compassion starts, of course, when you have that basically that heart vibe to go and want to help someone else. But we also have to get past, any current pain or hurt to be all in for this planet. So we worked through a little bit of that today with meditation, depending on what they wanted to do, carrying their stresses and worries, concerns, fears, or leaving it behind. And there was no right or wrong answer, but basically the idea is that sometimes it's good to take it with you, so you have to deal with it on your own, makes you stronger, but also maybe we learn from a lot of those things, some of those painful experiences and those challenges and those struggles and obstacles. The other part of the equation, though, is it's okay to sometimes move on, just to leave that so you can focus and be fully present, to have your heart open to other people that might be in need. And so I really tried to hammer that home as well, reinforce the idea that we can always choose love, we can always choose kindness, sharing different stories of students their age from all across the U.S. that have chosen that, and it's always encouraging to me to see that, all of us can make that conscious choice, have that conscious effort in our heart, and, for us to know that everything we do has, some type of consequence, positive or negative, but hopefully, we're gonna always choose that type of positivity, right, to build each other up. And so again, it was just a beautiful day. I got one more visit in May, a couple months from now, so looking forward to that. But until then, really try to implement some of those life lessons and some of the teaching principles that we talked about today, because we always have an opportunity, every day, at least one, to really make a difference. So go and find those ways that you can make that impact and hopefully keep letting your light shine. Thanks for touching my heart. See you very soon. Until then, though, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.